Okay, so last time on Instagram, I did twice. I did an Ikebana, or the art of presenting Japanese flowers, in this. And, you know, Instagram is 90 seconds at most. So people ask how you do and what you do. You really go with the flow and you go with your mood, and we go with the seasons. I brought my orchid in, I cut it. I call this one Lady Lavender. I don't know what the name is, but it's an orchid that smells actually really good. Okay, so I had this, it's end of season. I had a little bit of this ginger type flower leaves, and I have a couple of succulents. I really don't know what I want to do with them, and I don't cut good leaves, but you know, this I'm gonna cut and use for the interior of my holder, because we need, usually in Ikebana, we need something to hold our flowers. And if you don't have one of those holders, you can use just the leaves. So when I say you can go with the flow, you really can go with the flow of how you want to do it. Right now, I have this. I put one on this side and one on the other side for both of them to look good. I don't know if I'm going to use this one or not yet. I really have no idea. I'm just looking at what I have and what I want to achieve. So you see here, this is a bowl I have, which is smaller than this because my flower is smaller. It's really not flowering season. So I take one of these long kebab skewers and I pass it through this. Oh, here you see, I can even cut. I put it here. You see that? And I pour my water. Now, when you pour your water, really make sure that when you put your flower in, your flower can touch the water, otherwise it dies. So you want to stabilize that and put your flower and just do a very simple Ikebana with orchids and a floating, it's not so floating, so I put it here for you to see. You see that? And this can be on my desk. It's gonna live on my desk all week and, you know, just inspire me when I'm working, make me think that I'm part of nature. And then I have this one and a smaller one, and I can do exactly the same thing. Repeat again, you know, you turn it, you put the ugly part inside. I kind of need, not kind of, I actually need another one. And then you put it like this. If you put it like this, actually here, you cut this part. And if you want to put it like this, you kind of measure which level you want it to go. And it's kind of a guesswork, a little bit. And you, if they're wet, they're easier to put in. You kind of force it in. That's why you have to have it wet. You force it in. You put your water, and here I have just one succulent, but okay, this is a little bit more challenging because of the height. put it in and you put your water in, and that's your second. Very simple. You want to go to a friend's house, you know, and you put this and you gift it to them. And that's it. Enjoy.